Welcome to another Varnberg Implement product informational series video. Today we're here with the CB75 Backhoe on a 1742 cab. See right here, this is a 42 horsepower premium compact tractor. We sold the tractor new and we just installed the new subframe mounted backhoe on here. As you can see, the brackets go in and tie into the tractor, mounts the backhoe. It is a quick attach. You will pull these pins and you can take the backhoe quick and easily off and return to a 3-point hitch operation. This does not work off the 3-point hitch. It works off the subframe of the tractor, so it ties your loader, your tractor, and everything together. We're going to jump on here, show you some operation. It does have the optional mechanical thumb installed on here, 16-inch bucket. The seat, one of the questions in the price book, it will mention you need to watch your headroom on the 1736 and 42 premium. We'll show you that clearance, 6-foot tall guy, and what kind of clearance you get, and then you can judge if it'll work for you. I'm 6 foot tall and I've got clearance of the air conditioner on the cab model. On the open station this won't be a problem, but typically when you're going to be operating a backhoe, you're going to actually be leaning forward looking at your job. So there's quite a bit of clearance here, but straight back up and down you can see I've got a good hand width above my head with the hat on, even clearance here. So the seat is adjustable. You could raise it up and down, but it's pretty comfortable in this position to operate the joystick controls. Now let's jump on here now that it fits and show you how to operate this. First thing, once you have the tractor started, parking brake on, we've got it at idle speed, you need to take your safety stops out. It has latch pins. Pull that out. Actually, it makes it nice because you got 4 holes, you got 4 pins to take out. Go to the other side and we'll get the last 2. Put one there. I think Massey Ferguson was thinking for guys like me that forget to put the pin someplace. Now we can jump on here and operate it. They make it super nice and easy. The CB75 has a 92-inch digging depth on the 1700 Premium Series tractor. It has 3,148 pounds of digging force with the bucket cylinder, 2,057 pounds of digging force with the dipper cylinder. Some things you're going to notice is 170 degrees of boom control and boom float, and we'll try to show you those features. That boom float is a feature that a lot of backhoes don't have and turns a novice backhoe operator into a professional real quick. We'll jump on here and we'll get fired up. First thing you need to do is drop your downrigger. And this is at idle speed. You can run faster RPMs and you'll get more speed out of it. The way I look at it, cylinder 1 is straight up and down. So left to right is your cylinder number 2. This is cylinder number 3. Swing left, swing all the way to the right. One. Remember, this is cylinder 1, straight up and down. Cylinder 2 is your digger. Cylinder 3 is your up and down here. Cylinder 4 is your left to right. Angles with your joystick. You can see we're operating 2 cylinders at the same time. There's boom float. Allows you to gently run that over. You're not putting any down pressure in the boom float. Boom float makes it easy to dig ditches and backfill and all that. It's an added feature of a Massey Ferguson. Straight in front. Degrees in full cover. Accessories is adding a mechanical thumb. A mechanical thumb makes a backhoe a great grabbing tool. If you're working with roots and that stuff, you just adjust your pin. Got a hole here with multiple holes. Makes it easy to grab something with the bucket there. It's built on, it's from Massey Ferguson. Easy to attach. You can buy it now with the loader, with the backhoe, or you can add it later. Just put the pin in here, change this pin, and that's all it takes. It's custom built to match your implement. Some live action of the controls. Got our left and right, up and down, you can do angles. You got the float position. That's float position right there. That's boom float. Forward is going to be your cylinder 1. I call this 1, 3, and 2. 1 is up and down. 2 is your bucket dig, your curling and dumping feature. You can see it. Storage, you're going to bring it up. Drop her down. we'll put the lock pins in. You can see the hydraulic system. You can adjust the, pull this pin. You can fold your seat up. Your hydraulics, we color code them. That's your return line that you're going to connect back to the yellow. Color coded here to connect back when you're done with your backhoe. Still have your hydraulics. This is plumbed to run as a Power Beyond implement. Quick attach, you can take the backhoe off simple and easily. Now all we got to do is put the pins back in, and this bad boy is getting ready to go to its new home and go have fun, do some digging. Get a perfect package combination from Massey Ferguson. CB backhoes available for your 1700 E-Series and Premium Series tractors. I'm going to finish up here real quick to put the pins in. Jump on the other side and we got two more. Raise this one on up. You do have two different positions. You got the aggressive tooth, or you've got a flat tooth that you can actually put. We have some customers, we can sell you rubber pads. I have some guys take a piece of 2x4, mount it, you have bolt holes here. You have bolt holes right there. You can mount a little 2x4 on there. Make your own little soft pad if you're working on concrete or hard surface and you don't want to damage it. Safety advice, if you reach over this, if anything happens to hydraulic, your arm's not going to be underneath of it. And the last one is right there. And once again, thank you for tuning in to another Varnberg Implement Product Information Series video on the CB75 Backhoe. Visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer and get a better value for your compact and utility tractor needs. It's more than just selling tractors at Massey Ferguson's. It's parts, service, and support. Massey Ferguson, through the AGCO parent company, has parts distribution centers all over North America. We were lucky enough we have one real close in Independence, Missouri here, 45 miles away. But they're in California, Texas, Georgia, Pennsylvania. There's more in Canada, and there's more worldwide. They're going to service your support needs a lot longer, a lot more, a lot faster and quicker if you ever need support from your Massey Ferguson dealer. Thank you for tuning in to another video from Varnberg Implement. If you're in Higginsville, Missouri, come in and stop and see us. We're your Massey Ferguson dealer here in West Central Missouri. If you're not here, visit your local Massey Ferguson dealer or check out masseyferguson.com and you will find your closest Massey Ferguson dealer so you can enjoy a great tractor just like our customers get to.